Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you a very beautiful trick, but just the performance today, and I'm gonna post the tutorial tomorrow mostly. Alright, so this is just the performance. Alright, and I'm gonna post a tutorial, don't worry, I'm sure I'm gonna post a tutorial, but not just in this video, because the video would be very long if I would post a tutorial just now. That's why I'm gonna post a tutorial tomorrow. Alright, so for this I'm gonna need the 4 aces. Alright, the 4 aces, that's 1 2 3. Where is the fourth one, man? That's 3 aces and 4 aces. Alright, so now I have 4 aces. I'm gonna grab 12 cards. Okay, so that's 3 6 9 12, and we don't need the rest of the deck anymore. These are completely normal 12 random cards. Alright, yes, so these are completely random 12 normal cards. So the objective of this trick is it's a surprise, so I'm not going to tell you what's going to happen in this trick. It's a good trick. So we're going to have the 4 aces, 1 2 3 4 aces. Alright, over here, so there is not enough space over here. Alright, I'm just gonna set the 4 aces down over here. I'm gonna place the ace of spades to the side because it's the leader. We gotta make things hard for the ace of spades, as hard as possible. So we're gonna grab 3 random cards, place it on top of the ace of clubs. Alright, 3 random cards, place it on top of the ace of diamonds. 3 random cards and 3 random cards. You know what, where I'm gonna need a box for this. You know what, I'm gonna put the box on the ace of spades. Alright, now if the spectator were here, then I would allow them to place their own hand onto the packet of the ace of spades packet. Alright, instead of the box. Alright, but since the spectator is not here, I've placed the box. Now what's going to happen is I'll explain what's about to happen. Alright, so watch carefully. Alright, I'm gonna have the ace of hearts over here. Alright, very cleanly, just blow and it disappears. Alright, it disappears, completely disappears right in front of our eyes. It disappears, and I'm gonna repeat the same thing to the ace of diamonds. Alright, just now you see it, now you don't, and I mean literally you don't see it. Alright, now the ace of diamonds has vanished as well. Alright, now the last ace, the ace of clubs, is very hard to vanish. Alright, so watch carefully. Alright, watch carefully as I put this inside somewhere. Alright, and you can still see the ace of clubs till the final moment. Alright, I'm just gonna leave it out jogged a little bit more. I'm gonna place all these cards down. Alright, which are not the aces, and when I snap my finger, it too disappears. So that means that there are 3 cards, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 cards that are not the aces. Like, the aces have completely vanished, as this is small packet of cards, so you'll have to excuse me. But look, when I watch, like, the spectator can lift the hand himself and check what these 3 cards are. Man, oh man, these are none other than the only 3 aces. The aces can be examined as well. Alright, so that was it for the trick, guys, and I very hope you liked it. Alright, the tutorial is coming tomorrow, most probably. If the tutorial doesn't come tomorrow, then definitely I'm gonna upload day after tomorrow, because So that was it for the performance, guys, and see you next time. And be sure to leave a comment below and like if you want, and you can just share it to your friends. And I mean, the tutorial is coming soon too, so don't worry, and subscribe if you want, it's free anyway. So bye guys, see you next time.